It's not really a work, my one. But what I really want to ask you about, what happened to the money from my account?
They think I feed the youth them. I put in their trust. And I eat and feed them every month. What you never do.
So you know about this?
Trevor, listen to me. And listen good. I said this already. This is the last time. You come here and you plead out your heart, say you will never have a problem with you again. So here's what I'm going to do for you. They take a call the tours from you. And I'll get it back. But this time, I'm going to make you the manager. Legitimately, you're the manager. Yours for run. We're not going to really interfere unless there's something serious. They come to me with a problem. But it's yours for run. Do it the way you want.
You serious about this, Carlton?
Yeah. Trevor. The construction is something here too fierce for you. You're too emotional. I've been to tell you say your gifts and your strength, they're in marketing and things like that. So, right now, we need a manager and a marketing genius. And you have both. So do that.
So tell me, when you want me to start?
No.
Yeah, but me did have something me did want to do so that we can.
No. No. Thank you, Mr. Wallace. We'll see you later. Trevor.
Trevor.
You can't find the wall.
You should have known better than that. Or you think you're giving me the first you?
Trevor, see I struggle. Like you're losing touch.
Yo, that will never happen.
So you say.
Then we're not going to find out.
Yes, dear.
Dear. Who that?
Dave, the taxi man. Remember me telling you I go supermarket. What wrong with you? Yeah, babe. Make a reach home in an hour. Just chill now. Alright. What you want? That's your one? Alright, me get it for you, babe. I soon come here. Alright, later. Mwah.
So hold on there. Me a taxi man now.
Trevor, stop going so. Cause you know I have a man.
So this thing where you're there round me so often. Eh? How? I lead you, I lead me on? Tell me what this about.
It's about you being my baby father and me putting back your life on track. Once you good, the pitney them good. It's all about that.
Nothing else.
I never said that, but at the end of the day, I have a bag of woman, so I have to set my life, you know, straight.
Come here. Me not have no woman in my life right now. And I you me a pray.
Well, sorry about that. But I'm not gonna just drop Dave so because you say now. Are you name or you name not Trevor? Girl them sugar. So you have to just give and take. If you can't deal with it, then I don't know.
So you go give?
You go take?
Anytime ready.
Well, that would depend then.
Well, I never said it there when you become a side man in your life. Just do me one favor. No call me a taxi man again.
Well, I bet you take the taxi man because I can't come pick me up. And carry me the way I want to carry me.
That's not true. Tell me something. What do you want?
Make we go buy it.
Alright.